Is your Lexus key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common causes are a dead battery or signal interference. First, replace the battery with a 3-volt CR2032. Symptoms like unresponsive locks or a weak signal indicate a low battery. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. Manually cycle the vehicle's locks, lock-unlock repeatedly, while holding the fob near the start button. This resets communication with the car's computer, ECU. Avoid storing your fob near metal objects or electronics to prevent signal blockage. If battery replacement and resync don't work, try a smart access reset. For older models, disconnect the car's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the ECU memory. Then reprogram the fob by cycling the driver's door lock while holding the fob near the start button. For 2022 and newer models, use the Lexus app for remote reset to avoid manual steps. Software glitches after updates can cause issues, so check for updates in the Lexus Inform system via the dashboard. Digital keys via smartphone apps are becoming popular and may replace physical fobs in the future. Regular battery checks and software updates help prevent key fob issues.